Hey, Jonathan here at Colfax Math. This channel is all about the applications of math and ways to get students excited about math and do hands-on projects with math. Today I'm going to go over how to draw a graph in Desmos and then bring it into Corel Draw 2018 so that you could either laser cut it, CNC router it, make it. A lot of things you could do with Desmos and a laser cutter. So right now we're working on trig. I'm just going to type in here y equals 1 plus 3 sine of x. There's my graph. Actually, usually it looks like this. So I have my axes, my grid. So that was on the little wrench. I go to setting. I undo the grid. I undo the axes. So I don't have anything else on there. So there's my graph. And a piecewise graph would be really cool. They could write out their names. Like a Jonathan could be a horizontal line with a domain. That could be a vertical line with a range, and then a semicircle for the bottom of the J. And they could write out their whole name, keep all of the equations, and then do a wood cutout of that. Okay, so there's my graph. Now I'm going to go up here to Share Graph. Under Share Graph, I want to export the image. I hit Export Image. My line thickness, I'm going to make this one thick so that I could cut out a wide board. So download my PNG. You can see I've practiced this a few times. This is the fourth one. Okay, now I'm going to open up Corel Draw 2018. I'm going to create File, New. And then my new document, I always set this the same as my cutter bed. So 24 by 12, that's my laser. It's a universal laser. And then this is really important. It has to be RGB, red, green, blue. It's a hexadecimal system, but that tells it how you program the toolpaths. Like if it's not RGB, you can't cut it out. Okay, there's my new document in Corel Draw. File, import. I'm going to import that drawing. It was number 4. Import. Place it down right there. That looks good. I could crop it a little bit if I want. I could go over here to Object Properties. I'm going to click on it. Okay, and then now what I'm going to do is, these are pixels, so I have to go Trace Bitmap, Outline Trace as a logo, and now I'm converting it into a vector. Two things to remember, that you delete the original image and you remove the background, so that's okay. So there it is, trace. You can make it larger or smaller if you want. And then under Object Properties here, I'm going to turn that outline for a cut through on the universal laser into a hairline red. And it can't be close to red. It has to be 255, 0, 0. So now the outline is designated as a cut through vector. And then here's my fill. I'm going to undo my fill. And now I have my file. And I could bring this into a CNC program. I could just bring it straight into, I could hit print on my universal laser and cut that sine graph out. I could actually just import this directly into my Shaper Origin handheld CNC router and then cut this graph out into a piece of wood with that handheld CNC router. So it's a cool way to take the graphing you're doing in Desmos and then make something out of it. So just an overview on some of those computer skills to do that. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.